Okay, I just got this new DEWALT DCD996B for Christmas, and it was defective, and I sent it back, and I got a new one from a different source, same exact model, and it has the exact same problem. So there's clearly a serious design flaw in this tool, and I want to know what we can do to get it fixed. And so I'll show you what happens. I've played around with it a bunch of times to find out how to most easily reproduce it. The problem happens in first, second, and third gear and all torque settings, and including the drill setting. But the easiest way to reproduce it most readily is go to speed number 3 and go to the first torque setting. I think they're trying to use electronics for the clutch instead of a slip clutch, and I think it's messing up. So when I got it in first torque setting and I just hold it with my finger, it cuts out. It won't turn anything. It won't even like turn my fingers. So and then if you start moving it up, this is full throttle, and you keep moving up the clutch. Sometimes the light goes out, sometimes it does not. Keep going up in the clutch. I'm at torque number 7 now. This seems to be twisting my hand off. That's torque 11, and I've got it full throttle. Light's still on. Full throttle. Full throttle. Holding it at torque 11. You just push lightly down on it, like you're trying to control it. And what I was doing is trying to run a scissor jack and picking up some weight. And I have to have very tight control of it. And that's why I was squeezing easy on the trigger. And it fails every single time. And it did it right out of the box without me even using it. Both of them. I was in front of the Christmas tree when it failed the first time. So you see the light went out that time. I've got to squeeze the trigger all the way down, lights out. Out. Now I'm going to go up to drill. So the clutch is not even engaged at all. There. Full throttle and drill. The clutch shouldn't even be doing anything. Full throttle. Now if I squeeze it full throttle, it works every time. But if I squeeze down like a variable speed trigger, it will fail. Now it's not the batteries, because I have tried multiple batteries, different sizes, and from different sources. So it's not like a batch of batteries or anything like that. And it's multiple drills from different suppliers. So, and you can see that it's on drill setting right now, and it was just failing. And it's on speed number 3. And it has done it on, the first one I got would fail easily on all 3. This one fails most often the first one failed on first gear, second gear, third gear. This one fails most readily on third gear, but it will fail on the others. So I don't know what else to tell you about it, but this whole model is defective. It's not just this one drill.
Not working.
It's not
Take out the bit, let me see.
Give it the next battery.
Turn our battery. Turn our battery.
So you start the power down a bit slower.
How much do I want to have?
Not the battery. Stop.
Me llegó este taladro en envío de Amazon, la caja un poco dañada, pero lo que más me preocupa es el taladro, que tiene un detalle aquí donde se conecta la batería. Tiene un juego, tiene un movimiento ahí. No sé si esto es normal o no debería de ser. En fin, pero por todo lo demás, el taladro trabaja bien hasta ahorita. Así me mandaron la caja.